Hey everyone, Jesse from WildTop. Today, I'm going to show you how to mount anything to your WildTop ladder racks, like this stand-up paddleboard here. The first thing we need to do is make sure the ladder racks are all clear of any objects or obstacles. As you can see, ours is clear. So, let's get started. It's good practice to put any item you plan to carry in the center of the ladder racks. This way, tying down is balanced and easy. Now that my paddleboard is on the ladder racks, we're going to want to make sure it's secure nice and tight. I'm going to use ratchet straps, but you might be using something else. The important thing is to make sure the straps you're using have an appropriate load rating to support what you're carrying. Enough talk, let's strap this sucker up. We're going to get our strap and connect the hook to the ladder rack. Now that we have done that, we're going to grab the strap and go over the board, like this. Then under the board. Then over the board. On our other side, we are going to get the strap and repeat the process, connecting it to the ratchet. Here, we're going to crank the ratchet nice and tight, so the strap is securing the board safely to the ladder racks. Whenever you are tying down anything, make sure the tension of the straps is tight. If you feel the strap is loose at all, crank it a couple more times until you're satisfied. Now that's how it's done. The board is now securely mounted and ready to hit the water. If you found this helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe. And while you're here, check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on getting the most out of your WildTop setup. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.